This is the jungle of Shivalik Hills. This is where Bholenath lives in the month of Shravan.
It's my first day to project and I'm already late.
Haji, my name is Ajay Singh. I am here in Saharanpur. There are a total of 51 Shakti Peeths all over the world. Shakti Peeths are the places where different parts of Mata Sati fell, of which one of the Shakti Peeths is in Saharanpur. This is where the head of Mata Sati fell. When Lord Shiva carried Sati's charred body on his shoulder and roamed all around the world, Vishnu dissembled to 51 pieces and named them as Shakti Peeths. In the month of Shravan, Mr. Bholenath also reside here. So why should we not go to that place and visit?
May I have your attention, please?
So the first vlog ever of mine is for Ma Shakumbri Devi. What you say? I haven't got a chance to do the fast and everything, but for sure I want to travel to the place where Bholenath reside right now and show you the facility there and show you the place there. But the father of Sati had disgraced Bholenath by not calling him into the puja, the yajna that was happening. You know, Bholenath was not so much unhappy because he's everything. You know, he has played a god, he has played a simple man. He's everything you can ever imagine. Daksh's youngest daughter, Mata Sati, chose to hermit her husband, a naked, ash-smeared ascetic called Shiva.
Okay guys, let me explain.
Shakumbri is very easy. You have to travel from Saharanpur railway station to the Ghantaghar. Right behind me is the Ghantaghar of Saharanpur. Ghantaghar. Just you have to do is to take an E from the Ghantaghar to the Behad Basarka. It's very easy. By leaving Ghantaghar to Behad Adda,
Finally I got the Shakumbri Devi. Let's begin.
try gossiping with the local bus conductors, drivers, as they know the place very well and they will help you explore the place better. The drivers have told me that it's the first, after the corona happened, it's the first travel to Ma Shakumbri Devi from Saharanpur. I guess it's my luck for sure, and yeah, the grace of Bholenath that he wants me to go there. But her father, Prajapati Daksh, was not happy with her because she married a man who had dogs and goats as companions and who lived atop of a snow-cladded mountain. Upset with the daughter had married against his will, that to a person so unconventional, he broke all relationship with her. Soon after that, Daksh organized a grand yajna at his palace, but Sati and Shiva, on hearing about the yajna, Sati begged Shiva to go with her, and upset Sati was determined to attend the grand event. She left alone to her father's kingdom, defying Shiva's wishes. Middle of Behad to Shakumbri, so mandir, and here's the mandir. Here's token. Was the token service while entering the mandir. Safety measures were intact. Ma gave a boon that whoever sees me must first see Bhuradev. The only way my journey will be completed. Going to Shakumbari, this is the Bhairanath temple we have to cross, and currently it's not allowed to give prasad and everything, but the security checkings are going very well. On seeing her arrive at the yagna, Daksh was furious and started yelling at her and hurling insults at her and Shiva.
A few moments later.
That's the place for the entrance to Shakumbari Devi, and it's the nearby place. It's a picnic spot. Right now I'm in Shakumbari, so I'm here. For you people, I'm traveling this much. Place is super, man. Look at it. Super. Just imagine, guys, a place like this for 1 hour to picnic this time. Just imagine. And a temple for the blessings of Mahadev and Ma Shakumbari Devi. Felicitated him, relating how wonderful husband Shiva is. Daksh turned deaf ear and to all this and kept humiliating her and Shiva in front of all present. I don't know what Rasta this is going. That direction I'm going, and we will find out. There is the temple, there is the teacher.
Well, thank you very much.
After a long tiring day.
Things don't discriminate. If someone is coming from far away who cannot read the return on the same day, then rain baseras are for your help. After so much of humiliation, she then flew in rage and took a form of goddess Adi Prashakti and gave up her immortal life by jumping into the sacrificial fire and cursed Daksh that he would be destroyed by husband Shiva. Hearing about what happened, Shiva entered the yagna and rendered terrible Tandav, the dance of destruction that activated negative cosmic energy to the extent of destroying everything around. A total grief-stricken Shiva carries Sati's charred body on his shoulder and roamed all around the assembled Sati's body, cutting it into 51 pieces. Name each one of them as Shakti pieces. Mata Sati took birth as Parvati. Bholenath waited for her through the galaxy. That's what love is. Here is the jungle. And here are the jungle pranis here. They're sitting everywhere. And I'm very excited to see this place. You can see the mountain upside. See here the mountain here. It's very good. It's this very small place and very good place. See, you can. What is Shiva? Shiva means nothingness. What we see is what light reflects, and light reflects only 1% of the whole universe, and the rest 99% is Shiva. You can accept this man who is the complex formation of everything on this planet. Then you can get real essence of your life. Bye bye. Love you tons.